Hello everyone and welcome. I have this look I want to create for you guys today, and I'm going to begin by applying this New York Color Smooth Skin Bronzing Powder in Sunny in my crease, and that's what Sunny looks like. Prestige blending brush, pick that up and just put it in our crease. Put it in my crease, excuse me. So yeah, the window's open. It's very humid out today. Okay, now that we have that down, I'm going to pick up this Clean Color Bombshell palette. This is in Showstopper. I'll pick up that matte white right there. Apply that on my brow bone. This is a Coastal Scents eyeshadow brush. Apply that right on the brow bone. LA Girls Pro High Definition Eyeshadow Primer. And this one is in nude. So apply that all over the middle part of the lid. I'm going to take this Diane concealer brush and just press it. Okay. And I'm going to blend out that LA Girls Pro High Definition Primer. This is a Diane eyeshadow brush. I'll go back into the Clean Color Bombshell palette. I'm going to apply that matte shadow right there to lilac. It's the first time I use it. Look at the dent already. These pans are really tiny. You can tell, right? It's a very tiny pans, and there's not so much product in here anyway, so. But that's okay. And I'm going to apply that over the LA Girls eyelid primer. Okay, now that we have that on there. So I'm going to grab this Wild and Crazy eyeliner. And this is in Majestic. This is by Wild and Crazy. Another Beauty Supply Store brand. And that is Majestic. And I'm going to line my upper lash line. I'm going to take it up and into the crease. Just a little. Okay. Now that we have that, I'm going to take the Clean Color Bombshell palette again. I'm going to grab that purple right there where my finger is with the applicator that came with the palette. Pick that shadow up. And I'm going to set that liner only at the outer V and at the crease. And just take it and pull it up. Into the Wet n Wild Mega Wear in black. And there you go. I'm going to pick up that eyeliner from Wild and Crazy and Majestic again. And I'm going to line my lips with it. Pick up this Clean Color Femme lipstick, and this is in number 12. Purple Machine. And that is what Purple Machine looks like. Kind of looked like blue, right? On the camera, but no, I assure you it's purple. I'll fill that in from the lips of Purple Machine. me take one of the Yes to Carrots wipes. I'm going to take off this lip color. Maybe not all of it. Hey, honey. Yes, honey. Wow. I'm going to leave the liner on and actually add a little more. And this is Majestic by Wild and Crazy. Okay. I'm going to take this lip gloss by LA Colors and some Paradise Pink. See how this looks. I like it. It's not bad. I like it. I must say, I do like it. That's it. This is my final look using that Clean Color Bombshell palette. Thank you for watching. I do hope you all enjoyed. Remember, have fun with your makeup. And yeah, till next time, God willing, may you all continue to stay blessed, beautiful, and ciao.